Hey everyone, in today's video, we will show you 9 easy ways to make money online. Before proceeding, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for our new Earn Money Online videos. Let's get back to the video. The situation has inspired people looking to make money online and find alternatives to generate an income from the comfort of their homes. So, we have compiled some of the most effective and easy ways to make money online to help you get started on your path to success. Number 1. Create an online course. If you are someone with popular skills, you can help others while also finding a way to make yourself some quick bucks. You can give courses on technical topics, finance, crafts, photography, games, you name it. Websites like Udemy allow you to create educational courses on many topics to market and sell and keep a percentage for yourself. That is an excellent way of setting up a passive income stream, as you only need to publish the course once, and with every purchase, you get a percentage. Number 2. Write an ebook. With the introduction of Amazon KDP, it has never been easier to get your written work out to the world. All you need to do now is write an ebook, compile it, design a cover, publish and promote it. It doesn't sound straightforward, but it becomes effortless once you get the hang of it. If you have been sleeping on a fantastic fairy tale or a helpful guidebook, now is the time to put your idea on paper. Number 3. Become a writer. Many people on the internet seek help generating well-written content for their blogs, ebooks, or websites. You can be the person who helps them get through, for an appropriate fee, of course. Content writers are some of the most in-demand people on the internet. Depending on the quality or niche of the content you write, you could be making hundreds of dollars for a single piece of literature. So get your thinking cap on and look up keywords and research industries you want to write about. We're about to put the world into words. Number 4. Become a translator. Translator service is one of the most underserved industries over the internet. If you are bilingual or multilingual, it would be no trouble for you to find a high-paying translator gig. People are always looking to get notes, lectures, papers, or even books translated to a particular language and are willing to pay good money for it. Number 5. Become a streamer. With the esports scene taking off, many new audiences have been exposed to the delights of video games. It has led to video game streaming being an actual well-paying internet job. Many people have been earning stable incomes from playing video games and streaming them for hundreds of people, who often end up providing you with tips as well. Now is the best time to put yourself out there if the idea of earning an income for playing games intrigues you even a tiny bit. Number 6. Sell your photography. If you are someone with a knack for photography, you can potentially earn money by selling the photos you have taken online. People are often suckers for a well-shot photo and would be willing to pay good money to put your pictures on their websites or use them offline. What would sound better than earning an income while doing something you enjoy? Number 7. Sell your creativity. Creativity is a trait that will never let you down. Whether it's setting up an online store or just a Facebook marketplace, as long as you can develop innovative products, you would be able to make an income. For example, if you are a huge anime fan, why not start creating custom merchandise for your favorite piece of animation and market them over the internet? Or, if you are a huge football buff, start creating custom t-shirts, phone covers, or even keychains for teams you enjoy watching and sell them over the internet. Number 7. Start a podcast. Podcasts have recently become popular and have quickly become the go-to way for people to gather knowledge and find entertainment. Many people will spend countless hours listening to people talk about what they enjoy. That could be you that people would be listening to. As long as you are passionate about something and can put your passion into words, starting a podcast may be for you. Number 8. Online tutoring. Teaching can be very satisfying, so why not turn that into a source of income? Many websites in the US are looking for online tutors and get them in touch with students that may require assistance in specific topics. It is an excellent way of generating a stable source of income while helping people gain knowledge and skills. Number 9. Set up a website. Most of the money-making ideas on this list would either require you to build a website or could benefit from one. And this is why we have left it for the last spot. Whatever you plan on doing over the internet, it's always a good idea to do it under your brand name and identity. A website would provide you with the brand identity you require. Whether it is an e-commerce business or a blog you write in your free time, be sure to do it under your domain name. That way, you optimize your online money-making idea for profitability. That's all for today's video. Share your success stories in comment section. Like, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.